Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we are diving into the world of Intelligent Customer Relationship Management, or ICRM. This bootcamp is all about learning how to use the power of AI to build smarter, more meaningful customer journeys. Table of Contents. 1. What is ICRM? 2. ICRM, simple practical examples. 3. Introduction, why we need ICRM. 4. The 3 core pillars of ICRM. 5. ICRM in marketing, smarter targeting. 6. ICRM in sales, closing deals faster. 7. ICRM in service, the 24/7 support desk. 8. The journey to ICRM implementation, in short. 9. Key benefits of adopting ICRM. 10. The future is intelligent. 11. Summary of the bootcamp. What is ICRM? Let's start simple. You probably know about CRM, Customer Relationship Management. That's the software and strategy you use to track customer history, like logging a support call or a purchase. Think of it as your company's digital address book and history log. ICRM takes that standard CRM and adds artificial intelligence. The whole point is to use data to predict, automate, and personalize every single interaction, making the process smarter and much faster. ICRM, simple practical examples. What does intelligent actually look like? Here are 3 simple, practical examples. 1. Predictive churn. AI looks at a customer's low usage and complaint history and predicts they are about to leave. The system automatically triggers a retention offer before they even talk to a competitor. 2. Smart chatbots. The chatbot doesn't just read an FAQ. It understands your mood, accesses your personal order history, and gives you a precise, relevant answer. 3. Next best action. A salesperson is on the phone. The ICRM instantly analyzes the client's profile and suggests the most likely product they will buy next, in real time. Introduction, why we need ICRM. Why should we care about ICRM now? Well, customer expectations are incredibly high. People expect service that is fast, available 24/7, and, most importantly, knows who they are. We also have too much data. ICRM's AI acts as a super smart data analyst, making sense of all that information instantly. This boosts efficiency, automating repetitive work and freeing up your valuable human team to focus on complex, high-value problems.
This bootcamp was proudly brought to you by the Talent Development Hub, your one-stop e-course warehouse dedicated to accelerating corporate growth. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on exclusive executive training and future bootcamps.
The 3 core pillars of ICRM. ICRM is built on 3 essential pillars, shown here as interconnected gears. 1. Automation. Using AI and bots to handle routine tasks, which saves time and money. 2. Prediction. Using machine learning to forecast future behavior. This helps you act before problems start. 3. Personalization. Delivering messages and experiences that are tailored to the individual. This increases loyalty and boosts sales. ICRM in marketing, smarter targeting. Let's look at marketing. A standard CRM might send the same general promotion to thousands of people. ICRM is different. It analyzes browsing history, past purchases, and demographics to create hyper-focused segments. It then automatically crafts different, unique emails for each small group. The result is higher engagement because the message feels like it was written just for that customer. ICRM in sales, closing deals faster. ICRM helps sales teams close deals faster and smarter. Lead scoring is a perfect example. AI automatically reviews every new lead and ranks them from 1 to 10. Sales teams stop wasting energy on cold leads and focus their attention only on the hot ones. Managers also get better pipeline forecasts, as the AI can accurately predict which deals are most likely to close this month. ICRM in service, the 24/7 support desk. Customer service is where ICRM shines. First, You get 24/7 self-service through bots that solve most common issues instantly. Second, if an agent is needed, ICRM uses smart routing. It sends the customer to the best skilled agent for that specific problem, not just a random person. Finally, we have Agent Assist. While an agent is talking or typing, the ICRM analyzes the conversation and suggests instant answers or helpful documents right on their screen. The journey to ICRM implementation, in short. If you're ready to start, here are the 4 quick steps to implementation. 1. Clean your data. Remember, AI is only as good as the data it's given. Make sure yours is accurate first. 2. Define your goals. What is your target? Is it to reduce support costs or increase sales by a certain amount? 3. Choose the right tools. Select a platform that integrates well with your existing systems. 4. Train your team. The technology is just a tool. Train your people on how to use the AI insights effectively in their daily jobs. Key benefits of adopting ICRM. The rewards for adopting ICRM are clear. Happier customers through personalized, smooth service. Lower costs because of powerful automation. More revenue from better sales targeting and customer retention. And finally, a crucial competitive edge over businesses that are still using old, static systems. The future is intelligent. ICRM is not a temporary trend, it's the new standard for how successful businesses interact with customers. The AI will only get smarter. So, your immediate action item is this. Start exploring how you can integrate just one intelligent feature like predictive lead scoring or a smarter chatbot into your business this quarter. Summary of the Bootcamp. To summarize this Bootcamp, remember these 3 key points about ICRM. 1. It adds AI to your standard customer management process. 2. Its 3 main functions are automation, prediction, and personalization. 3. By adopting ICRM, you create smarter, faster, and more effective customer relationships, which drives better results. Thank you for your engagement throughout this session. We started this bootcamp with the goal of understanding how to move beyond basic CRM and embrace intelligent customer relationship management to transform how we connect with our customers. I hope you walk away today with a clear understanding that ICRM is not just a technology upgrade, but a strategic necessity. It's the engine that drives true personalization, efficiency, and growth. The future of customer engagement is intelligent, and by implementing even small aspects of automation and prediction today, you are positioning your organization for tremendous success tomorrow. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to me at mentioned email. Thank you for your time, and I wish you all the best in mastering your intelligent customer journeys.